Now you have a detailed 2D drawing and its 3D model. Click inside the 3D model window and then the Magnify Window button on the navigation bar to enlarge the model. If you click on it again, the model appears on full screen. With another click, recovers the original size. Similar to the 2D content, you can pan and zoom the 3D content as well. To orbit around the 3D model, click on the Rotate button on the navigation bar. You can also set up perspective views easily. Open the perspective dialog, choose 2D view and drag and drop the camera point and the target point to set up a perspective. You can also save and name all different perspective views of your choice. Later, you can navigate through your saved views easily with the help of the blue arrows. Activate and enlarge the 2D drawing when you would like to work on it. When you click on any drawing item, it will be selected. We will create 5 copies of the spot lamp in one step. When the spot lamp is selected, click on the duplicate menu and choose the matrix command. Click on the endpoint of the lamp. In the dialog, choose the value option. Set the numbers and define the distance between the lamps. Selected items are represented with different color and you can see the floating menu bar and few makers around them. Markers are specific to the selected item and the situation. For example, in case of a curtain, you can also change the length of the top view of the curtain. On the left-hand side, you can find the Design Center. In the Design Center, you can find building parts, groups, symbols, objects, furniture, materials, and many more for your design. You can browse the libraries or search an item by using the search field. Select an item to see its details. To place it, simply drag and drop it over to your drawing. Move your mouse to position the item and click to place it. Hit Escape key on your keyboard. Find and drag and drop another item on your drawing. Selected items are represented with different colors and you can see the floating menu bar and few makers around them. Using the markers, rotate the armchair and copy it. We move the sofa 100 mm away from the wall. First, select the wall, then the sofa by pressing the Ctrl key and modify the distance between them. When you would like to select multiple items, hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on the second item. Find and drag and drop another item on your drawing. To place an object on an existing 3D surface, first activate the 3D window. Find an object and drag and drop it into the 3D view. ARCHLine.XP recognizes the 3D surfaces. Click on the surface where you would like to place your object. Move the object and click again to place it. Repeat these steps to bring even more objects into the 3D interior.